Come on, guys, another day to actually tell you guys I'm the best. Flip $100 into 4,000 USDT, and this is actually within a little bit of time. Let me say 30 minutes to 40 minutes, and I made this particular profit. And guess what? This is actually an account management, and this have been going on for a past 2 weeks now. I'll be managing small equity accounts such as $100, $200 into $10,000. Any small equity as low as $100. So bring it if you're actually losing so much money. And mind you, this video is just for beginners that have lost so much money in the forex market. So if you are losing a lot of money in the forex market, I recommend you go to my bio right now. Click the link on my bio and join my free Telegram channel for me to actually make a good profit for you. This period we actually need to be guided and need to support each other. And forex markets, I have to tell you this: you don't gamble in forex market. So you are coming in forex as a beginner, just focus on profits and all that without knowing that you have to go through strategies and you have to go through uh discipline and everything in order to make profits in the forex market. You are skipping that. So you need to know all these things before making profit in the market. And what can actually teach you is losses. You have to lose so much money in order to upgrade. Know what you are losing, write it down. Know what makes you to lose money in this particular trade, write it down and go more and correct yourself in the forex market. That's how you do it. But if you don't want to lose more, why not just focus on account management? And I'm not the only one doing accounts management. There is many people in the forex market, profitable professionals doing account management as well. All right, there is many of my colleagues. So if you are not interested in me, if you don't want me to make as huge as I can make for you, then go to anybody you know that is preferable, that knows how to make massive profit, just like me. Then offer your account management and stop losing, risking your account yourself because you don't know exactly what to trade in the forex market. I'm gonna advise you guys, please, when going into market, don't use your last money, your rent, or probably your salary. It's good to risk, yes, but risk with sense and know how to actually manage yourself. Have a nice day. See you guys in my next super video when I'm going to be explaining guys a strategy that is best for beginners. Drop how much you've lost so far in the comment section. Like, share this video, and don't forget to comment how much you've lost so far. All right, follow me for more videos like this. I'm gonna be heading out. I'm gonna be closing this market in this particular place. Have a nice day. Thank you.